change is a major part of regular maintenance. Clean oil lubricates and cools the internal engine parts such as the crankshaft and pistons. The oil filter aids in removing oil contaminants, keeping your engine oil clean. If your oil filter is dirty, deposits of oil sludge form inside the engine, eventually starving the engine of lubrication and cooling. Those internal parts get much hotter and wear down. To prevent oil sludge from building up, your oil filter must be replaced at every oil change interval. Fresh, new oil lubricates and cleans internal engine parts, reducing sludge buildup and carrying away contaminants to be filtered out.